guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so for all the newcomers, my name is Kaylee and my videos is all about hair, beauty and fashion, and I also do some challenges on my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I almost forgot what to say. Like, comment and share all my videos, and you won't be disappointed. Anyway guys, today I'm back with a very short video. I just want to show you guys what I bought by Takealot. Very little stuff that cost so much money. Anyway guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, let's just appreciate how beautiful this box. Like, seriously, please. I always get excited when it comes to this type of videos. Also guys, I'm not sure what is wrong with my lighting. I just don't understand. I tried everything and unfortunately I don't know if it's my eyes because I'm tired, because I came from work, or if it is just so. Anyway guys, I opened it already because I wanted to see if all my items is here, just in case, you know, if you need to tell them it's the wrapping. Let's just appreciate the wrapping. Anyway, so apparently I heard, I'm not sure if I'm correct, it was Takealot's birthday month, and there was specials or something on the app, or if you spend more than 500 rand or 600 rand, and then you get a whole 350 or 300 rand off. I'm not too sure. So guys, I got me Prosena. This is for my hair, my nails, my skin and all of that. I don't know if you guys can see properly. Oh, the lighting is so bad. I don't understand. Guys, I'm so sorry for this lighting of this video. But this is 60 tablets. I take 2 a day. I opened it already. That's how it takes. I just wish if Prosena can just see this. I've been taking this now for the past probably 3 or 4 years. Please, just for, like, you know, to keep the hair stuff healthy and all of that. Supplements, because it has in a lot of ingredients like collagen, protein, rice, vitamin B. I don't know what is that. Vitamin B5. They have gluten. I don't know what they have in iron. They have in zinc, sulfate, magnesium, vitamin H, vitamin B9, sulfate, copper, vitamin B12. So, and it also have biotin and all of those things in it. So yeah, that was around about 180, and if you go to Discount, it's around about 160 or just over 160. But I had to obviously make up the 500-600 rand so that I can get the special. And so I decided to take me some vitamin C capsules, Vital Health Essentials, Maxi C 1000 gram. Because I keep on getting boils and stuff, so I am so scared to get another boil because I won't survive another boil, like, honestly. So I'm taking out 1000 gram, one every day, of immune health, antioxidants and immune support. And also it's COVID, so my immune system is very weak. That's why whenever I get this acne, cold sores, boils, flu, I get it easily because my immune system is not strong enough. So I just don't have a choice. Then I got me some mask. I think I can put the box down now. I got me some mask. Sophie Mode fashion mask. I would love to read this to you. Non-medical mask. So I've noticed that I'm gonna put a picture here of how my skin looked before COVID. So I just want to take a moment and I just want to say thank you to COVID-19 for messing up my whole face. I'm actually going to take a picture on this side of how my face looks now and how my face looked before we started wearing stupid face mask. So I've noticed that the surgical mask, for those that don't know what surgical mask, I'll also add a picture. The surgical mask has fibers inside of it, and that irritates the skin. So if you are wearing surgical mask, I will give you advice. Just listen to my advice. Stop wearing surgical mask now already before you get a breakout. Because even if your skin is not sensitive, you eventually get breakouts because of the fibers on the inside of a surgical mask. But because I have dry skin and on top of that I have extremely sensitive skin, it's just too late now. So I decided to try this mask that was recommended to me by a good friend Danny. Thank you very much. Oh, I wanted to read. It's a 3D design face mask, washable and reusable. You must hand wash it only with a mild detergent. Put the mask in gently, rub it with your hands, clean it and dry it in the shade. Do not wash in the washing machine. I will not do that. Not suitable for children 4 years and younger. Please use with caution if you have any skin allergy. So I'm praying to God that this is just going to help. Dustproof sunscreen and thermal mask. Class B. I'm hoping this. So it's 3 in a pack for 1. I think it was 110. Oh my, one of them fell now. It feels so nice and soft. And then it also has the labeling, whatever you call that, on there. So I have 3 black ones. I don't want to put it on my face now because my face is full of makeup. But it's nice. It's a nice fit. Very nice fit. I think I should first rinse it or something. Let me first get this out of the way. By the way, I bought this by a friend for 10 rand, and I am obviously obsessed because it's yellow and it's scrunchy and it has blue polka dots on. You can never get enough of yellow. And then I bought the Nivea, but this is for my boyfriend. He's going to use this. I don't use any fragrance stuff on my skin. Like I said, I just get breakouts for any reason. So the reason why we bought this because we wanted to go over the total to get the 350 discount. So we needed something small to add. So that's the reason why this is in there. Then last but not least, oh, this was in the, let's remove the box. The very last thing on my list. African black soap. So in one of my videos, one of my cousins, Lauren, she commented on one of my videos to say that I need to try this African black soap. And this is probably the second recommendation now for me to try this soap because apparently it's very good for acne prone skin. So guys, there will be a full video on this, on how I'm going to use it, because my friend told me, advised me how to use it. So I'm definitely going to do a separate video with the soap where I'm actually, okay, I think I'm going to wash my face tonight with the soap so that I can see the effects the next day and that, so that I can have more information in my next video on the soap. So basically, African black soap, organic deep cleansing soap. The ingredients is plantain skin, cocoa pod, shea butter, tree bark, coconut oil, shea butter, 200, oh the lighting is bad, I'm so sorry guys, 200 grams, and that's basically how it looks. So if there's anybody watching this video now that has tried this before, please comment below if there's anything that I should be worried about, or like the advantages and disadvantages of the soap. Please guys, I would appreciate it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned for a full review on the soap. I'm going to open it now, like I said, so that I can have more information in my next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and appreciated that I have a little bit of makeup on this acne prone skin. So guys, I am very tired, that's why I'm rambling. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share all my videos, and also follow me on all my social media platforms. You know the drill. So stay tuned for the review on this, and I also have a special video coming very soon, which I'm very excited about and very grateful about. So stay tuned for the next few videos. Also, sneaky peeky, another video, another challenge coming soon. So guys, and Snack.